Hey everyone, I'm going to show you, I got a question about how to organize your Google Classroom. You may have some classes in your Google Classroom from last year, and maybe you don't want them there, or maybe you want to know how to maybe organize that classroom. So this is very simple. So what you can do, two options. So if you wanted to, you can click and drag your classroom cards and put them where you want them. Just by a simple click, hold on the mouse, and then drag and drop. And then the other thing that you can do, so let's say that these were all, let's say this period 1 American history was from last year, and I don't want to get rid of it because I have a lot of content that's already in there. Maybe I'm not teaching that section this year, or maybe it's something that I want to reference later on. So all that I would have to do is, you have the tricolon here, click that, and then click archive. And it'll ask you if you want to archive it. You can't update this class unless you restore it, but it will place this card, this class, in your archives. So I'm going to go ahead and archive this class. So it removed it from my Google Classroom landing page. So that card is no longer active. So in order to retrieve that card, all that I would need to do is click on my menu bar and scroll down to archived classes, and here are all of my archived classes available to me. So then to restore it, I just click that tricolon again and restore. And it's going to ask me if I want to put it back into my active Google Classrooms. So I'm going to click restore, and when I go back to my classes, it's back. So very simple to do, great way to keep your Google Classroom organized. If you like this video, I created this video using Screencast-O-Matic, very simple, and just go to screencast-o-matic.com. Thank you guys.